How to report cryptocurrency on taxes on FreeTaxUSA. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and then type in FreeTaxUSA.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of FreeTaxUSA. Now at the top right, you will find the option of sign in. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Now you have to provide your credentials to log into your account. So type in username and then password. In the case you have forgotten username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in now. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option for the registration process. Once logged in, look for a section related to cryptocurrency or virtual currency transaction. This may be under investment income or a similar category. This will typically be labeled as added transaction or something similar. For each cryptocurrency transaction you made during the tax year, enter the relevant details. This includes the date of transaction, type, amount, and the value of USD at the time of transaction. FreeTaxUS will calculate gains or losses for each transaction based on the difference between the purchase price and the sale price. It will also count for fees associated with the transaction. If you have multiple cryptocurrency transactions, FreeTaxUS will aggregate the gains and losses to provide a total for the tax year. The total gains or losses from cryptocurrency transaction will be reported on your tax return forms such as Schedule D or Form 8949. Review all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy, make any necessary corrections or additions. Once you are satisfied that all cryptocurrency transactions are accurately reported, proceed with filing your tax return through the FreeTaxUSA. Follow the platform's instructions for filing electronically. By following these steps, you can accurately report cryptocurrency transactions on your taxes using FreeTaxUSA. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.